Welcome to day 2 of Speaking English with Niru. This is English Pulse. Do subscribe. So, your first sentence. I'll think about it. Yeah? You have to think about it, I tell you. Without thinking, don't assure or don't commit to any kind of work. I tell you, it's a very great suggestion. Otherwise, people will be behind you. You need some time to decide. That's how you are telling this sentence. If you're not sure and need time to consider, might be an example. Can you join us for dinner? I'll think about it. The next sentence. What do you mean? So if you're not understanding what the person in front of you is telling, if you need clarification, he said something strange. What do you mean? Okay, so if you're telling sentence like that, he said something strange, what do you mean? Next, it's up to you. No, these sentences, if you need to be very decisive and you want to have a clarity, it's up to you. So if it's your decision and you have to tell it, and if you have to ask it to your friend, it's up to you. So giving someone the freedom to decide. Where do you want to go? If your friend is asking for a cup of coffee, it's up to you. Deciding on your budget, your time, the ambience you need. Yeah. So next question, next sentence is, can I ask you a question? Of course, now we have no time for questions. Love season is over. It's all exam seasons are also over. It's all questions. It's all exam, classroom times. If you have any question, can I ask you a question? Or if you want to ask somebody something, you can use this sentence. Can I ask you a question about this? But if you're asking your teachers or your elders for this, can I ask you this question? Ma'am, I do have a question. Can I ask a question, ma'am? You can use the sentence. Next sentence. I'm sorry for the delay. If you're really late to something and you could not make on time and you're making someone wait, apologizing for somebody for waiting for you. You've caused a delay, and if you want to make an apology, I'm sorry for the delay in replying. I'm sorry for the delay in coming. Sorry. You can just use this sentence. So what were the sentences? It's up to you. Can I ask you a question? Sorry for the delay. Then what kind of other the same tone questions we have? It's not a big deal. Next sentence could be, it's not a big deal. Then what does it mean? It's not important, or if it's not serious. It's not a big deal, you say, is it? To downplay something that's not serious. I lost my keys. It's not a big deal. No, yaar, it's a big deal. If you have a big mansion of crores of rupees and you're keeping all of your jewelry and all of your clothes locked up in a mansion, I lost my keys. It's not a big deal. No, never think like that. You have your whole life savings in that house. But be careful, be cautious. Be cautious, don't lose your keys of your vehicles also. But for the example, I'm just telling you, lost my keys, it's not a big deal. Just keep your head cool so that you get another set of keys. Keep it ready. Always have a spare key with yourself. Okay, that was the sentence. It's not a big deal. Fine. Next, what's the next sentence? Guess. Okay, fine, let me tell you that question. I have no idea. What did you say in your head right now? I have no idea. You didn't know? You couldn't guess that next sentence, right? Let me tell you. The next sentence is, I have no idea. Okay, what's the meaning? That means you don't know. I don't know. That's what the sentence, I have no idea, means. Then when do you use this sentence? When you are very clueless, you are very unsure about what to say. So, where is she? I have no idea. Where is Nirupama? Yeah, I have idea. She's in English Pulse channel talking to you guys. But well, people who are not watching me on here, they have no idea about me. So watch the whole video. Next. Guess what's the next sentence? Come on. Okay. I'll give it a try. Okay. I'll give it a try. What does that mean? I'll try. I'll attempt it. And I will agree to do something. It's the next sentence. Okay, I attempted to apply henna on my hands. I attempted to paint my nails. Okay. Then, can you do? If you want to ask, can you do this? Or can you give a try on this task? Or can you do this task? Can you cook dinner for me tonight? Friend or your wife or your girlfriend might say, I'll give it a try. Isn't it? Trying is always nice. It's good. Then they give it a try. If it comes out good, well. If not, it's not my fault. It's the next sentence. It's not my fault. Is the next sentence. If you do wrong, if you couldn't make it right, you can use the sentence. It's not my fault. Then, how do you pronounce it? It's not my fault. Okay, when are you using this? When you're not responsible, when you're not owning up the responsibility for it. So you want to show you're not to blame. The meeting was cancelled. It's not my fault. Okay. I cooked dinner. Didn't come out well. It's not my fault. I gave it a try. Done? Next. So, fine. You cooked dinner. It didn't come out well. If your boyfriend or your husband or your mother, your father is really generous, I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it is the next sentence. Okay, I'll take care of it. I will handle it. Be the child of yourself, I tell you. Don't become adults and become grown-ups people. Okay, stay the child. Only then you can learn English with me. Okay, always give that try. Give that space for yourself. You're not the ultimatum considering yourself. I'm not making a mistake today. Don't stand like that. Okay. So, I'll take care of it. So, even I am assuring through the sentence. I'll take care so that you are speaking your best of the sentences which I am giving, which I am illustrating. Okay. So, I am assuring that you will manage somehow to speak English. Through my previous videos, you get educated how you are making a routine, how you are habituating to speak in English. Next, if you want to give an example, don't worry, I'll take care of it. Okay, I'll take care of it only if you practice all these 10 sentences. Okay, so practice all the previous video 10 sentences and this video's 10 sentences. I'll come back with another 10 sets of sentences. Until then, keep practicing, keep showing love and hit that like button. Thank you.